we're going Cecilia Resort at home. Alright na yung mga pasaheros. Now, shout out Tita Chuy, Puchi Puchi, ano Zaki Humba, yay! And Los Carlitos, where are you, my dear? Where are you? Alright, so we're here at Cecilia Beach House, just along Sibulan Negros Oriental, and just a few blocks away is the Sea Forest. Alright, and just in ito. Here we go! Alright. So that's their ongoing development, parking area, and that's motorcycle parking area. And for the meantime, we're parking here in front of their staff house. Alright, so mag-log in pa rin tayo, register here, okay, and proceed. Yay, Cecilia, you bring my heart. That's there, Lababu. Alright, and proceeding. Hi, Mrs. Mira. Alright, hello vlog, welcome to my guys. Maki just graduated, yay! Congratulations! Alright, we have foods. Hey, mag-partners! Wave naman dyan! Wave to Yano, Enrique, at iba pa! Nice swimming pool here, brand new. Alright, pinakalalom is 5 feet. Alright, so Sak is there. Right, say hi. Hi, Pupuch. Alright, they got nice place here. For only 3,500, it's free for 25 packs, 25 persons, free, and you got this place exclusive, and pati na rin beach is libre, of course. Alright, this is the whole place. Alright, Pinoy, asong kagikan kaniya? This is the beach here, outside. Alright, Hunasan. As of now, Hunasan, pero it's, wow, it's facing Cebu, that's Cebu. Alright, so, it's really relaxing here. So, mingaw, tahimik, mga pare ko, yo. Yeah, those greeny. Alright. Nice here, nice. So, let's go back there and eat our lunch. Welcome to my party, Riz. Hi, show business. Mama. Where is your brother? Ay, nalibot rin ay. Wala naman po, pahinay. Yay, we're here. Pildihan man kono ka. Pilay pildin. Kani mo'y daugan. Kani mo'y pildihan. Dina, eat na eat. Chill sila eh. Lagi chill kay diri oh. Alright, alright. Let the music take control and the mood on the road. Alright, alright. Woo, 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 woo. Up.